I think justice works when a person can appear in any courtroom and they realize that regardless of the result, they understand that they got a fair shake, that the decision wasn't based on their economic background, the color of their skin, and they feel like the law was applied properly. My name's Keith Anthony Cardoza Jr., and I'm an associate judge in the Rhode Island Workers' Compensation Court. When I lived in South Providence, I would have a lot of friends that got into legal problems, so we spent a lot of time going to law offices. And I just found it difficult communicating with some of the lawyers. I felt like it would be nice to have somebody that I could speak with who kind of looked like me. I think people should work harder to understand people. I think it's really easy in our society to see someone who's not doing as good as you or to rely on stereotypes that you might have subconsciously. I think it's just important when you approach someone or you interact with someone to try to give them the most clean slate you can. Every time I've done that, I've been very, very surprised. People give up on people too fast, They're like, oh, so-and-so has a record. I'm like, that person literally could be much smarter than you. They just didn't get any breaks. If you're from a certain group, you gotta work harder already. So it's like you gotta work an extra 4 times harder. The only thing you can do to change the world is to be successful and tell people your story when you're successful. Sometimes it could just seem like you're kind of shouting into the void, but if you find these avenues which allow you to be heard, you can present to us how the justice system is affecting you, and that's the only way we'll be able to effectuate change. So the reality is, by voicing your opinions, we'll be able to identify the things we can change, the things we want to change, and the things we need more help from you to change. I hope to inspire people by just showing them that you can be yourself and still be successful in life. There's a way forward. There's a path forward. You don't have to necessarily be stuck in your situation. I didn't get here because I had to change what made me me. I just evolved as a person and obviously took advantage of the opportunities that was presented me.